cow, crow, kotur, pigeon, hare, myna, katij, swallow, bilibichur, bulbul, tsir, sparrow, rangitsir, great tit, kukil, dove, kustur, ticklish thrush, satut, hoopoe,